out the GoPro. Well, I'll just have to edit this in. Water here. Over here. The truck there. Everybody had a great day, a great time walking down the road, even though it cut off half of my video. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that red button now. And don't forget to check out Jumper Adventures. I've known him a long time. I'd have to say maybe 5 or 6 years maybe. But don't forget to check him out. Jumper Adventures, and subscribe to both of these channels. And I will see y'all later. Bye.